Good morning, good afternoon, beautiful people. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Today we're in the kitchen. I am about to make some turkey. Yeah. As you can see, I haven't seasoned it yet, but I like to drape it with fruit first. I have celery, rosemary, onions, carrots, celery, grapes. I opened a can of fruit cocktail, dumped it in there. I like the fruit of the juices. It makes it juicy. Then, hold on. And I also have thyme herb, I'm sorry. So I pushed it in there. He got a lot of stuff in between him, that part. So next part, I am going to season it. I'm gonna put some butter in there too. I put some olive oil. He's glistening right now. Olive oil and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm just prepping them right now. All right, we got the turkey seasoned really good. I know it looks a lot, but it's gonna marinate in, so don't fret. It's gonna be nice, seasoned, and juicy. I use these seasonings. You can use whatever seasoning you like. Oregano, onion powder, garlic powder. Garlic, as you can see, I like garlic. I did have some minced garlic, and I do have herbs in there. Fruit, the juices from the fruit are going to be incorporated in the turkey, and it's just going to be amazing. I say amazing. So I am gonna put half a can of pineapple because I do like to cook with fruit. It just makes it juicier, flavorful, and amazing. All right, we want to cover it up with Reynolds wrap, aluminum foil, as you may call it. So we covered that up with aluminum foil. We're gonna let it bake on 350. And the last hour of the baking, it does take a while, so this is the afternoon time. I'm gonna uncover it and put some honey. That gives it, I like the honey taste. I got a little bit of that. Well, whatever honey you have. The last hour, we're gonna uncover it of the cooking stage and top it off with honey, and then put it back in the oven. Yeah. So we're gonna cook it at 350 around 4 hours. Make it nice and juicy. So I'll be back. All right, I'm back. While our turkey is cooking in the oven, I'm gonna cook some jasmine rice. I found these at Walmart. I'm gonna try them out. And then I'm gonna make some fried potatoes. These are sweet potatoes. So I'm not making a big old dinner. I'm gonna cut up some bell peppers, peel out these potatoes, sweet potatoes, fry them up. And jasmine rice on the side and gravy. I put gravy on mine. I don't know if my son on gravy on his. But yeah, I'm gonna get the water boiling for our jasmine rice. Just put a little salt, pepper, butter in that. Not gonna do too much. Rinse these off, cut them up, and then peel these. And yeah, I'll be back. All right, our water is boiling. Some of this rice in here. We're gonna turn the heat down. I like jasmine rice. This brand is pretty good too. I don't know if y'all can see that. Jasmine rice. Alright, you want to put a lid on that and turn the heat down. So we just boiling that with water and butter right now. I'm going to get the salt and pepper later. I got some oil on my pan, but I am peeling the potatoes and I'm gonna cut up the peppers. Yummy. And then last but not least, we're gonna put these rolls in the oven. That part, yummy. All right, we have our jasmine rice looking good, smelling good. I put some pepper, parsley on top, a little bit of salt, garlic salt, and butter in there. All right, I'm about to put the rolls in the oven. It's saying 27 to 30 minutes at 350. We already have it 350. So yeah, it came in this pan, and this is the glaze. And my potatoes. I haven't seasoned them yet. I'm about to season them, so yeah. All right, look at the turkey. Yes, looking delicious. I did put the honey on to glaze them up. Mmm, nice and juicy and flavorful. All right, let's cut into this. Looks nice and juicy. I guess I'll give him this leg. Do a leg. Clubhouse kind of perch. Give him that leg. I like the skin when it's seasoned good. Anybody else like the skin? Or am I the only one? Yummy. Tastes good. Yummy. All right, here are the rolls right out the oven. It's smelling good. I put the glaze over it. This is my son's plate. I'm about to make my plate. I like the wing. All right. Here you go, son.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Dinner time, dinner time. It's yummy. Have the jasmine rice. I put some gravy on mine. This roll is good. I left it in there a little too longer, but it's all good. It smells good. Had the glaze, put it on there. Texas Roadhouse buns. Yeah. Turkey's good. Sweet potatoes good. Thank me later.